come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh, tiptoe from the garden, by the garden, of the willow tree. Okay, guys, so we found this cellar to the house. Tomorrow, I might film a video in another town. Did you find something?
Okay. There's a demon in here, and I heard a can.
Yeah, okay, well, let's go. Well, this house right here. Here, hold on. There.
Please
Here.
let us live.
Here, okay. Here, okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna probably film another video in the town that I usually work in. But here's the cellar. Tomorrow we'll finish, or not tomorrow, Thursday or Friday I'll finish exploring the place. But I'm gonna stop. Bye.